Uh, Good morning.
It's evening. It's already evening. Yes, good evening. And how are you? How are you, JJ?
I am fine.
You're fine? That's good. So what did you do today?
Uh, taste,
Yes.
taste, taste.
Okay, so did you enjoy?
Oh,
Not really. Why?
it's so hard.
It's so hard. Okay.
Uh,
But yes. You have something to say?
Easy, but
Mm-hmm. But
uh, exact English is not easy.
mm-hmm. Yeah, I would agree. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Now, how's the weather there in your place?
Uh, Today,
Today.
what is what is? Hey, can you say again?
I'm asking about the weather. How's the weather?
Uh, no.
Is it sunny? Is it raining?
Oh, sunny, sunny.
Sunny. So, if it's sunny there in your place, what do you usually do?
Oh,
You
sleep
what?
in my house.
Just staying in your house?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I would like to ask an update about your Lego. How's your Lego? It's already finished?
You see,
I can see where.
green, green.
Where? You finished already the car? The Lego car? Hmm. You finished it. Wow. Wow. That's really great. Great job, JJ. Okay,
Uh,
what's the purpose of the remote? What's that remote for?
this that is a L LGB, RGB,
Mm,
RGB.
okay, so how many days you spend to finish your Lego? How
What?
many
I
days?
don't know what, but I can use this. I will don't use this. This is
Mm,
model.
okay. Wow.
I don't like our models.
Okay, you're really
Model.
great.
This model is broke.
Mm-hmm.
Broke. It's
Okay.
broke.
Okay. All right. Now allow me to share our screen.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start. Now, can you please pick one number?
One.
One.
Oh.
Here is your question. Can you please read your
Today,
question?
how often do you watch TV?
So, how often do you watch TV?
Uh, Today?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No, today I don't watch TV.
Okay. The question is asking, do you watch TV every day or sometimes, or never?
Sometimes, sometimes.
Sometimes. So what day do you usually watch TV? What day?
Uh,
Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday?
Thursday.
Okay. So what do you watch in TV during Thursday?
YouTube.
Yes.
Yes, I watch a YouTube in the TV.
Okay. What kind of movie? Or is it a movie or is it a film?
I'll see a movie spoil.
Okay. Can you tell me about that one?
I'm see I watch a spoil movie. Spoil.
Interesting.
Yes, I like to watch a spoil and spoil
And
anime or movie and cartoon or and game.
okay, very good. Okay. Next one. Can you please pick your second number?
Okay. I want 13.
13. Here. Can you please read your question?
Do you like going to museum? Yes.
Okay, so do you like going museum? So you answer yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, so what kind of museum do you want to go?
Uh, technology.
Oh, technology museum. Wow, interesting. Why you choose technology museums?
But so I think I can play. We can play technology
Yes.
inside that. I can play a technology.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, JJ, wait a minute.
Okay. Microphone, teacher. Microphone.
I'm so sorry. Okay, my question is again, why you choose technology museum?
I can play technology. I can play technology inside that.
Okay, so but you've been in a museum already. You've already, yes?
I think uh this year I will go. This year. This year.
Okay. Okay. Okay, pick your next question. A number rather. What number?
25.
25.
Five.
Okay, here's your question.
My question is, what your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Okay, why chicken? Why chicken is your favorite food?
I like to eat chicken.
You like to eat chicken?
Yes, very much.
Okay, what kind of chicken?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
I like to eat a fried chicken.
Okay. Do you like the meat part or the skin?
Meat part.
Why do you like meat part?
Uh, I think this that is delicious.
Again, sorry?
I think it's delicious.
Okay, you're right. Next one. Choose your next question. JJ, please pick your next number.
Two.
Number 2. Okay. Here is your question for number 2.
Wait, I think.
What? Okay, you read first the question.
What your favorite music?
Okay, so what is your favorite music?
I want to look my last music. Oh, Tokyo there. Tokyo there.
Sorry, what is it again?
Tokyo. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, Old Town Road. Old Town Road.
Mhm.
Old Town.
Why you like that music? What's with that music? Why you like that one?
That's fun. That's so fun.
It's so fun.
Yes.
Okay. And how about an artist or the singer? Who is your favorite singer?
For singer,
Favorite singer?
I don't have.
You don't have?
Yes.
Why?
But I don't enjoy with the music.
You are not inclined with the music. Okay, that's good. Next one. Can you please pick your another number, JJ?
How often you watch a TV? Oh no, sorry. 7.
7. Here is your question for number 7.
Yes. Why are you still study English?
Okay, so why are you studying English?
It's I like to wait I think I like
I
I like
like.
to speak English.
You
Yes,
like
I like to
what?
speak English. I like to speak English.
Okay. The reason why you want to study English is because you want to speak in English, okay?
Yes.
Okay. When you or since when you studying English?
Study. Why? What?
Since when you are studying English? What age you started?
Wow. Wait. I will.
What age?
I will ask my mom.
Go on. So,
Yeah. 8.
yes,
8 years old. 8 year old.
8 years old. Wow, 8 years old. So, can you rate from 1 to 10? How good are you now in English?
1 to 10.
Yeah, can you rate yourself? How good are you in English from 1 to 10?
Number?
Okay. If you want to grade yourself, if you want to give yourself a grade, how good are you now in English?
How cool?
How good are you now in English? How good are you now in English?
How good are you know in English?
Yes. Do you think you are
Uh,
really good in English?
first time to learn English.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, first
Okay.
time to learn English.
Okay. But now you can already communicate with others in English. Like you can talk to your friends in English.
Wait, wait.
You can talk now. When you are talking to your classmate, do you use already English?
Oh yeah.
So how was it?
What was it? Wow, 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 wow. Can you say it again?
How's the experience like now that you can communicate or talk with your friends in English? How's the experience?
Uh, and uh, anytime.
Hmm. Okay. Next one. Can you pick your next number?
6.
6.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, here's your question.
What is your name? JJ. My name is JJ.
Very good. Next one. Please pick your number.
4.
Number 4. Here. When is your
When
birthday?
uh 6 plus so when 6 so
Mm-hmm.
when 6:29 6:29 12.
Oh, okay. So during your birthday, what do you usually do? How do you celebrate your birthday?
Uh Go to eat with my dad and mom
Yes. What is it
and
again?
buy a present.
Okay. Do you always enjoy your birthday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What birthday is the most unforgettable? Like you cannot forget that birthday. What age are you?
Uh what age?
Yes, what is your age that you think that is most unforgettable?
The base birthday?
Yes.
Uh 10 year old.
Why? Why do you think it's the unforgettable birthday you had? Why do you think?
Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah. 10 to 11. 10 to 11.
So why do you think that is an unforgettable birthday?
My dad. My dad
Yes.
gave me a new phone.
Wow, a new phone. What is the that phone? That's the new
Yes.
phone that your father gave you. Wow. What its model? What its model?
Uh, uh, 20. Uh,
Yes.
Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra
Mm,
and Kami.
wow. Okay. Pick your next number, please.
Next number is 3.
Number 3. Okay. Here.
Ooh. 7 year old.
How often do you play board games?
Oh, sorry. Ooh. Uh, I don't know.
Do you always play? Always, sometimes, or never?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So what kind of board games do you play?
Little snake.
Snake
Snake.
ladder.
Yes.
Who do you play with? Whom do you play with?
My sister and my brother.
Oh, so are you the youngest?
Yes.
So who always win when you play snake in the ladder?
Yeah. That is a long time. I can't remember that.
You can't remember already?
Yes, I can remember.
Okay. But right now, you still play board games?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Next one. Okay, can you please pick your number?
Wow. 23.
23. Here's your question.
No.
Why you don't have pets?
Uh, my dad.
Mm-hmm.
My dad like to me have a pet.
But what kind of pet?
Oh, what pet I want?
Yes, what kind of pet do you want?
I like a dog or cat.
Why you like dog and cat? Why not bird or snake or something?
Oh, my first pet is sugar glider.
Mm-hmm.
Second is the turtle. Third pet is a parrot. I have 2 parrots.
Oh, you have 2 parrots.
Yes, but they
So
but
how's
they
how's the experience of having a pet, the parrot?
the
How's the experience? Do you enjoy having a pet, having your parrot as your pet?
yes, I'm so enjoy.
Okay, so do you aware that a parrot has a capability or ability to mimic the voice of a human?
Yes.
Like they can copy the voice of a human.
Yes.
Do you aware that? Okay. All right. Next question. Can you please pick another number?
Okay. 8.
Number.
8.
Okay, number 8. Here. Can you please read your question first?
November season of the year.
What is
Rainy.
your favorite season of the year?
Rainy. Rainy only.
Rainy or
Oh.
we have only 4 seasons, and these are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. So among these 4, what is your favorite?
I like a rainy, but I can sleep in my house, but it's so cold.
Right? If it's so cold, it's really, nice to sleep, right?
Yes,
Do you sleep when it's raining?
yes,
Right? It's really good, right?
yes. That's a very good.
Okay, okay, all right, okay. Copy. Have you experienced like winter? Have you experienced snow?
Experience no. Yep. Mm, experience no. I don't like in the Thailand don't have snow.
Okay. Okay. Next one. What number do you want?
Uh, 15.
And here is your question. Can you please read your question?
Do you like going to cinema?
Okay, so do you like going to the cinema?
Uh, I think I don't like.
Why you don't like going to the cinema?
I want to stay in the home.
Yes. You want
Yes.
you okay. Why you like to stay at home? Why do you like to stay at home always?
Look at my toy.
Wow. So you have a lot of toys. That's why you prefer to stay at home, right?
Yes. Have a it have a water gun.
Wow.
Blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Can you please pick another question?
Yes. Uh, you like to
What number?
what? 10.
Number 10. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you please read your question?
Do you like to traveling? Maybe.
Do you like traveling? Maybe. Why you answer maybe?
But sometimes my mom want to go to the temple.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Okay.
like to go to the temple.
Mm.
Sometimes my mom wants to go to the hot.
Okay,
Hot.
so what
And I
yeah, sorry, continue.
just continue.
So if you want to travel somewhere, where do you want to go?
Oh, you think to go to the da, da, da.
Where do you want to go?
But I think เขาซื้ออะไรมา Đâu chạy đâu in đâu phải chạy đâu in nhỉ? Thật lâu rồi quên rồi.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I can
Next
go
one.
in
Can you pick another question, another number?
20.
20. Here.
What are you wearing today?
So what are you wearing today?
Wearing แปลว่าอะไรนะแม่จำไม่ได้ละ Wearing Wearing
What are you wearing today?
แปลว่าอะไรนะแม่จำไม่ได้ I don't know what is the wearing.
Meaning that the clothes that you are using today.
Oh,
Yes, the clothes.
oh. No.
Yes.
No.
Are you wearing a t-shirt or a pants, jogging pants?
I don't know what is the wearing.
Okay.
What does
And
it mean?
wearing means that the clothes that you are using. Like for example, I am wearing a t-shirt right now. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. And for your last question, can you please pick last number?
ประมาณแบบเสื้อที่ใส่ประมาณนั้น
Number what? What number?
Wait. I will think.
We have only 2 minutes left.
Oh, sorry. 5.
5. Here.
How you got any brother and sister?
Okay, so have you got
Huh?
any brothers or sisters?
How did I got? Have you got?
Yeah, do you have a brothers or sisters?
No.
No. Okay. Now we are almost done with our time. So do you have any question for teacher Zach?
Nope. No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, I will see you next time again. Okay.
Okay, see you next time.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.